Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, let's talk about the world of man-in-the-middle attacks, or MitM for short. These attacks are a major threat to our digital lives, compromising the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of our data. So, how do MitM attacks work? Essentially, an attacker intercepts the communication between two parties without their knowledge. Picture this. You're sending a message to a friend, but a malicious actor is in the middle, relaying, modifying, or even eavesdropping on your conversation. Let's check out some common types of MitM attacks. First up, we have eavesdropping. This is where the attacker secretly listens to your communication, grabbing sensitive info like login credentials, financial details, or personal data. Next, there's session hijacking. Here, the attacker takes control of an ongoing session, impersonating a user to perform unauthorized actions on websites or services. Replay attacks are another type. In this scenario, attackers capture valid data transmission and later replay it to trick systems into accepting it as legitimate. Then we have SSL stripping. This is when an attacker downgrades your secure HTTPS connection to an unencrypted HTTP connection, making your data more vulnerable. Don't forget DNS spoofing. Attackers alter DNS responses, redirecting you to malicious websites that look legitimate. Lastly, Wi-Fi eavesdropping happens a lot on public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Attackers set up rogue access points to intercept your traffic. So, how do you protect yourself? Always use secure connections and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Utilize VPNs, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your software updated. Stay safe out there and keep your data secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.